Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Christmas crafts is probably one of the most exciting ways to kick off the holiday season with your kids. In this video, we're diving into a treasure trove of creative and fun Christmas craft ideas that will spark joy and imagination in children of all ages. Get ready to explore a world of colorful paper, glitter, and glue as we transform ordinary materials into festive masterpieces. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner, these projects are designed to be easy, enjoyable, and perfect for creating lasting memories. Number 5. Max Fun Christmas Scratch Art for Kids. Looking for a fun and creative activity for kids this Christmas? This scratch art set is perfect. It includes everything they need to create their own unique ornaments. The package comes with 48 scratch papers featuring 12 festive patterns, along with cords and drawing sticks. It also includes colorful markers. It has everything needed to get started. It's easy to use. Simply use the wooden stylus to scratch the black surface and reveal a rainbow of colors. Kids can let their imaginations run wild. Made with non-toxic and safe materials, this scratch art is perfect for kids. The paper is thick and won't tear easily, ensuring hours of creative fun. These rainbow scratch papers are ideal for Christmas parties, stocking stuffers, and classroom prizes. They're a great way to add some homemade holiday cheer. With Santa, reindeer, snowflakes, and Christmas trees, these ornaments will add a special touch to your holiday. The kids will love to create and hang them. What we like? This scratch art kit is all about the fun of revealing hidden colors. If you're looking for a creative activity that's also safe and easy, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids to create their own unique Christmas ornaments, and they can hang them up to add a personal touch to the holiday. If you want to make your Christmas party more fun, you should consider this. What people say. The crafts were easy to do and the kids love them. The Christmas kid crafts are perfect for kids to make during the holiday season. The crafts were a great way to keep the kids entertained and they were able to make some really cute decorations. Number 4. 9-pack Snowman DIY Kit, Christmas Gift for Kids. Looking for a fun and educational gift? This snowman kit is perfect. It comes beautifully packaged, making it ideal for Christmas or birthdays. It's a great choice for kids aged 3 and up. This kit has everything needed to create 9 snowmen. It includes white air-dry clay and 87 craft buttons, such as colorful hats, scarves, eyes, and noses. It's easy for everyone to use. The snowman clay is soft, ultralight, and safe for kids. It's non-toxic and doesn't make a mess. You can be assured of its quality. The soft clay is perfect for little hands. Use the white clay to shape your snowman, then add hats, scarves, and buttons. It air dries completely within 24 hours. This DIY kit offers endless creative fun. It's a great activity for Christmas parties, craft time, rainy days, and birthday parties. It's also perfect for parent-child interaction. What we like? This snowman kit is a fun and engaging activity for kids. If you have a child who loves to build and create, this is a fantastic option. The non-toxic clay is safe for kids to use, and they can easily build their own snowman. If you are looking for a great Christmas gift or stocking stuffer, you should consider this. What people say. The crafts were easy to do and the kids love them. The Christmas kid crafts are perfect for kids to do during the holidays. The crafts were a great way to keep the kids entertained. Number 3. Funnlot Christmas Stickers for Kids. Are you looking for a fun activity for the kids this Christmas? These stickers are a great choice. They're fun and cute, and the kids will love them. With 30 pieces and 6 different styles, they can create their own unique sticker art. It includes gingerbread men, elves, snowmen, and more. Let their imaginations run wild. Made of quality fabrics, these stickers are bright and clear. They're non-toxic and safe for kids to play with. You don't need to worry about any harmful chemicals. These stickers are easy to peel, paste, and remove without leaving any residue. They can be used again and again. Your kids will be fascinated by them. Each package is checked to ensure there are no problems. We make sure everything is perfect for your Christmas celebrations. Get ready for some fun. What we like? These Christmas stickers are a great way to keep kids entertained. If you like easy and mess-free crafts, this is a perfect choice. The stickers are reusable, so they can be used again and again. If you are looking for a fun and easy activity for kids, you should consider this. What people say. The crafts were easy to do and the kids love them. The Christmas kid crafts are perfect for kids of all ages. The crafts were a great way to keep the kids entertained during the holiday season. Number 2. Civaner Christmas Craft Kit for Kids. This kit includes 24 sets of Christmas paper ornaments in 6 different styles. It comes with everything needed for kids to create their own festive decorations. They are perfect for a fun Christmas activity. Kids can decorate their own Christmas ornaments with this kit. It encourages creativity and helps develop their handling skills. This makes Christmas decorations interesting and unique. These Christmas crafts are the perfect size for kids to handle and play with. They can easily stick the ornaments anywhere they like. The size is just right for little hands. Simply stick the ornaments onto the basic card to create your own Christmas crafts. They are great for hanging on trees or making bookmarks. This kit is easy and fun for everyone. These crafts are suitable for many uses, like gift tags and party decorations. They are wonderful ornaments for trees, windows, and fireplaces. It's a nice Christmas gift for family and friends. What we like. This craft kit allows kids to create their own unique Christmas ornaments. If you want to encourage your child's creativity and handling ability, this is a great option. They can decorate the ornaments and hang them on the tree or use them as gift tags. If you are looking for a fun and engaging Christmas activity, you should consider this. What people say. The crafts are easy to do and the kids love them. It's a great way to keep kids entertained during the holidays. The crafts are well made and the designs are creative. Number 1. JOYIN Christmas DIY Window Sun Catchers Kit. This kit is designed to spark creativity. It allows kids to express themselves through art, mixing paints, and creating unique window art projects. It's a fun and engaging activity for children. The kit includes everything needed to get started. It comes with window paints, suction cups, transite cord, and 18 sun catchers. This comprehensive set ensures hours of artistic fun. The design is unique and easy to use, making it perfect for kids. They can learn to mix paints and create their own personalized decorations. It's a great way to encourage artistic expression. This set provides endless fun and entertainment. It's ideal for kids aged 3 and up, school projects, and family crafts. It's also a great gift for any occasion. The product is made with child-safe materials. It's non-toxic, non-BPA, and lead-free, meeting U.S. toy standards. Your child's safety is our top priority. We prioritize customer satisfaction. Contact us if the product doesn't meet your expectations. We are committed to ensuring every moment brings you joy. What we like. This window art kit is a great way to unleash your child's creativity. If you want a safe and non-toxic craft, this is a perfect choice. Kids can learn to mix paints and express themselves through decorating art. If you like a fun and engaging Christmas activity, you should consider this. What people say. The crafts were very cute and easy to do. The kids had a blast making them. The crafts were perfect for my 5 and 7-year-old. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.